On a more serious note, whoever organized the Tidal Rave, I am very, very disappointed in you. And yes, some mistake Nibium said you will make Shattawale a surprise artist. A marketing tool, surprise artist, or maybe you don't want us to come and say you don't have the capabilities of hosting a lot of people. You are making a whole marketing tool a surprise artist. Right now, SM fans, they're in my DM. They are trying to beat me up because they are saying that I didn't alert them. I didn't announce to them that Shattawale was going to pull up at the Tidal Rave concert. The moment they started playing Shattawale's documentary on stage, people started like trooping forward to go. You think Shattawale is a joke? Shatta movement and Shattawale, we don't do V1s. We don't do our king V1s and surprise. Please, we don't do that. If you want to do V1s and surprise artists, please go and pick Patapa or Sekle Moses. Please, I beg. Don't do that next time.
Busumi weimu. Sika ode ko Ghana no. Opese wo say nya wo sika nyina abaka. Application a e wo so use di send sika no e lemfi. Me pese me kasa bebre. Omu ye promotion bi. Omu say 100% cashback. Sika ode be ko Ghana nyina ode opa for 5,000 pounds and say dollars and Canadian dollars and say euros e ko Ghana every week bi omu ye draw. So omu pick your account na. And as we pick it, I account and I say number now they are registered lemfi na. Na 50 lucky winners no be ka ho a. Sika wo de ko ye nyina no. O message wa de nyina sa ma back. Eyo da sika kra na nshi wani abai. Ana dodo na mabusia for wa America na mo pese sebi mo de enyoma free America eko Ghana ebi ho a oye o sifie obeya wedding or to party wo home use or turn your like mekasa adaje beboye ni a opese odi free America eko Ghana piano edin ye ba kope Box Oak Logistics catchroom said nam TheBonahShow so and our tea omunka and also besa cha 10% discount yo Ghana entertainment industry ya enra event a so ewo Accra Tidal Rave no. After the event, nipa bebre kasa na dodo na kasa Shattawale enye artista sebi ode no ebeye surprise artist na se bibi sa da bi Shatta bros ade so na hu say content creators bi start discuss bi mu ka wansem matiase me say na me hu no decision na team no efa ya omode Shattawale eye surprise artist no na the best at this moment because seka omude Shattawale eba omobe oneswa enka other musicians fans kra nya take it enko show na see and they wanted crowder one like musician bia benya ne share se be hobe very interesting say omo ba bonten no anase a week before no money ba say Shattawale beba ho a enka within an hour Kawale fans ne beto tickets ni nyina mo bi kura nya bi nto nti ka bedro na Shattawale fans nko. That is the energy and power of Shattawale now. And until now so we eventer na eye wale ne daswa and I say other musicians e kan wale ho a eni se omo hu Shattawale ntem because omo hu se wale beba other musicians no fans enya ticket o me ka no kra kire. Now, Wale energy, any baby fans ni energy, any number of people are almost supporting Wale. So oh ye bibi na ye Wale a you're very careful. And ka omo magana fo e hu say Shattawale ba show na sia. Eya. And myself one video being so time a Wale air performing no. Shattawale PA any nya confrontation a. And I'm for Kasaman for Bashi Wale PA no nyoma. Medafo yenye no babia. One problem me war e Ghana events e yesade no. MC 4% mu dane artist. And no ase che say. Hey yo. Ghana omo bebo kaye stage kama. Artist ne ba hu nipa bebre che say artist ni twa ne ho ntwa esa de na efiri fa sa de na efiri fa sabi ye ko shows de bia Your shows ni bi o artist ni backstage even camera crew ni kura no. Yemo stage ni bi o. Artist bi okro bo beka so ompe cameraman bia o stage ni so. Baby wi ase duru no, unhia se obi de camera chenchene atwan bia. Now no so mu kwa mbefa so fix cameras artist no e backstage no kwa ne benya freedom agina stage ni so. Artist ni ntina manfo MC wa introduce shattawale awie. Se opese okoka mi bi eche shattawale a enye wo na so okọ stage ni so biem. Also catch ni PA and as any manager omu gina nchen na bi omu di information ni koma no. Nia Abonko eye no ne kwan so ado no. MC why wadwuma awie a na akopa ba bi atena. Mu bo adwuma my idea nyame sha mo show ni very entertaining my idea but why introduce you artist awie an artist like shattawale oba stage on hia bibia on team anu nti no opese okọ stage ni so a catch the managers na ase ni PA no na adekọ na apese okoye no omukọ akoye ama no because sankrofo ne pena shattawale be gina stage or trust you mo asa on trust you obi abiem very normal. Ana se bia woni wale a plan bibia also teach mu kire ni PA na se manager also chale respect no ehu hia o because artist ni free efie ba no oni ni team o ma planning ni o ma be koso nyina enu nti even so na shattawale be bibi kura na se PA na se manager ni nima eni so mo ma kwan anya agro na ye dio. Entertainment is a serious business. Agro no ye ni ji ho a mom ye nsua no se na ye sitie na mom ye nyai asay ye di women tiase Ghana nko na be me se ye boka ye stage crack artist ne backstage obi apeso be gina stage ni so sadie no event organizers mum hwe ni ye nipa na ye omo full stage no say ye artist ne backstage ni so a edoso dodo ana camera crew ni so no ana camera crew ni so professionally ebi me Ghana na chese Ghana entertainment industry no kasa obekasa wan yo obekasa ma de achia ma de asa ma de ahia eya o no eya muntie sa de we camera crew na mun she dan call professional training for live event coverage no muntie ni ye ube use camera e wo stage a eni se wo she atade bia e de attention eba so watade if you three besi na say everything should be black. Monsha sadien so. Oko professional training for live coverage. Na oka camera crew no na be ko stage umpo from utiniwi ebesi na say ubi bia ye black. But no be say red, no be say white. Now the camera ni no distracted. Just me ojine on tiase. Ojine ho ontiase enunti Mr. MC Papa Kafra nia esi ye no but wonso no we akokote dodo I was you have to know these things we are professional MC sade also no also hu sade no what they are going to church sa no man also hu nya agro na yedi o anya agro na yedi wale team no onka ho backstage Kope baby tina wa wie wadwuma MC wa introduce you. Let's welcome on stage one of the biggest African dancehall queen yeah wale a backstage wadwuma asa papa wadwuma no asa esi uwo bibia kan uni wale team no uni respect for wale team no odi omo baaye na also kan no tum na gina wa kopem se wale ebe wie show no that's it so wale hiawa stage na very important. Wale okuta microphone wale unsuro bi obe frɛ say yo mama Manuel kwan no ma stage nsam ne nya de obebe odin afrɛ ba sasa de na nkoso na wa na ode opɛkɔ na ne pie ne se kɔtena se a papa Kafra but ono na dwuma na oye soldier eya eya and to do na mo bashe Shattawale PA say wanya ade no disrespect MC no onim so na ye official MC ni sa no mane David bibi sa bia ni wiase MC de we introduce artist no ba stage odwuma sa say artist ni hia na say bibi nkoyi a obe announce eno okwa evidence ho ba wa wontimi fa pe David nya agro na yedi enye agro na yedi much respect Abonko adwuma na ye no yere ho ne ye ni ye papa nyame nhyira for your loyalty